Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to hold guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Oppo phone guys home screen full setting, how to use and how to set up home screen full setting. In this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo mobile. So friends, click here home screen lock screen setting. After on home and lock screen setting, home screen mode friends you want to change, so you can change here standard mode, rubber mode, simple mode. Select your mode, apply here and switch, and you can change your home screen mode. Home screen layout, click here column and row friends you want to change on your Oppo mobile, so you can change column and row on your device. So friends, you want to set 2 column, 3 column, 4 column, 5 column guys, last we have. And guys, row you want to change, so you can change row also, 6 row. And friends, 5 column you want to set, so you can set. So friends, I will set here 4 column and 4 row. Come back, lock home screen layout setting friends, if you on lock home screen layout setting on your Oppo phone device, so friends how to use it. Friends, you want to set Snapchat on your home screen page, so friends you cannot set because home screen setting is locked. First of all, unlock your home screen layout setting from here. Out on low friends, you want to set Snapchat, and guys any app you want to set on your home screen page you can set easily. So like that friends, you can lock and you can unlock your home screen layout setting. And friends, you want to on guys show app suggestion setting, so you can on from here lock screen setting, you can on raise to wake, double tap to wake screen setting you want to on, so you can on, you can use. If you on raise to wake guys, your phone screen is off and you will pick up your phone, your phone screen will on automatic. Double tap to wake screen setting friends, if you on, so friends double tap on lock screen, your screen will on. Double tap here off and double tap to on screen, double tap off and double tap to on screen. So like that friends, you can use your lock screen setting also on your Oppo mobile. So friends, you can use your home screen setting from here, home screen mode, home screen layout, home screen layout lock setting you can use on your Oppo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. Friends, now do you have any doubt on your Oppo mobile, so friends you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.